So we will substitute y equal to -2 and solve it further. Come on children, you also solve along with me. So x plus 10 is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 minus 10. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Children, is x is equal to 1 visible to you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So you have x and comma -2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. So this way properly you are going to write down the things. Okay. Now we'll go towards the last question. If you have completed it, children, try to solve it by of your own. Let us see who will solve first, you or me. Okay, the equation is 2x minus 7y is equal to 7 and 3x plus y is equal to 22. So you have 2x minus 7y is equal to 7 and 3x plus y equal to 22. Okay. Observe Rx then followed by y, constant term on the right hand side. Yes, everything is in proper way. Now see, is something we can take common? No, you can't, right? So this is as it is. Now you observe, here I am having 2, here I am having 3, here I have -7 and here we have 1. So the option is you multiply just this by 7. So 7 7 हो जाएगा, right? Other option is you multiply this by 3 and you have to multiply this by 2. So क्या हो गया? When you do that, you will get the coefficient both as of x as 6. So children, in one sum, instead of multiplying this by 7, let me solve in this way. So you will get an idea also. Okay, so this is the last sum now. So I'm trying both the multiplication, both the equation. Okay, you can just have one equation multiply by 7. That way also you are going to get answer. But I wanted to teach you about both the coefficients, how you can make the same. Now here we have 2 and here we have 3 children. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So somehow you make this variable as 6 and somehow you make this variable also as 6. Okay. So say this is your equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So what you will do? Multiply equation 1 by 3. 2 है ना? 2 से 3 से multiply करोगे तो you are going to get 6. So 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. This is the equation and that you are multiplying by 3. So what you are going to get? 6x minus 21y is equal to 21. So this will become your equation number 3. Okay. You write down as a equation number 3. Thereafter multiply equation number 2 by 2. So 3x plus y equal to 22. You have to multiply this equation by 2. So what you will get? Again 6x plus 2y equal to 44. Right? So now this is becomes your equation number 4. Children, no problem. You go on giving the equations number. No harm in that. Okay, you can have that.
Miss, can you explain it again?
Yeah, that is the reason I have taken this particular example in a different way. Once again, I explain to you. Children, I see this equation, right? You have here variable 2, coefficient 2, here coefficient 3. Suppose I wanted to eliminate the coefficient of x. हाँ, तो एक का 2 है, एक का 3 है. If I wanted to eliminate that only, you need to multiply this equation by 2. So 3 2s are 6 becomes, and you have to multiply this by 3. So this become also 3 2s are 6. तो दोनों का कोएफिशिएंट 6 हो जाएगा. You can observe here. Okay? Is it clear? So that's another way. One way is that we multiply this equation 2 by 7. तो हो जाएगा. Easy है. But I wanted to show you the other way also. मैंने decide किया कि नहीं. I wanted to eliminate first variable x. मेरे को x को कैंसिल कर पहले मेरे को y की वैल्यू ही ढूंढनी है. Suppose I have decided it that way. मेरी मर्जी. हाँ, in maths your way can be different, but your answer will definitely going to come same. So we are going to make the coefficient of x as 6. Why I selected the number 6? Because 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. So 2 को 3 से multiply करो और 3 को 2 से multiply करो. So I have to multiply the entire equation. So equation number 1 is multiplied by 3 and equation number 2 is multiplied by 2, and I got this 2 equation. Now these 2 equations have the x coefficient 6x 6x. माइनस नहीं है, हाँ, ऑपोजिट साइन नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट equation number 3 from 4. So after from whatever you will write, that you have to write up. And then write down the equation number 3. As it is a subtraction, children, you are going to change the sign. So this was plus 6x, it will become minus. This was minus, it will become plus. This was plus, it will become minus. So this will get cancelled. Put a finger on the middle sign. 2 plus 21. How much it will be? 23y. And do here also subtraction. 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 2 2. So 23y is equal to 23. So y is equal to 23 upon 23, which is 1. So you got y equal to 1. So once you will get y equal to 1, you are going to substitute, right? So you can write down, put y equal to 1 in equation, which any equation you can take, no problem. So let me take the first equation, 2x minus in equation number 1, and then you write down equation 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. So 2x minus 7, put y equal to 1. So you will get 2x minus 7 is equal to 7. So 2x is equal to 7 plus 7. So 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 2. So x is equal to 7. Okay. So what will be the answer? Ordered pair 7 1 is the solution of given equations.